Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, last video was about the backgrounds. We have discussed the backgrounds. Okay, in backgrounds we also discuss background colors, background images, background repeat, background position. So today our agenda is related to we will cover about the CSS borders, that how you create the CSS border, margins and padding. So these type of things today, inshallah, we will cover. I hope so. Last lecture was clear to you. We discussed a very basic things. So today we start with the CSS borders. What are the CSS borders? Adding the borders property, okay, in CSS allows you to specify the style, width, and color of an element border. So if we have various type of CSS border style, I'm just telling you first of all, we have the dotted border, we have the solid border, we have the groove, we have the dashed, we have the inset, outset, and we have one more that is called, I think, double. Yeah, double. Okay, so we will apply these styles. Okay, here one. So I need to go back in this file. Okay, here now I want to give the border. So I want to give the borders to the H1 only. So I defined here H1. So inside the H1, I need, let's say, border. Border of what type? I am taking the border as dotted. Okay, I'm taking the border as dotted. So let's check in the browser that how it works. So it will appear. Need to refresh the page. As you see, the heading, the actual heading contains now dotted border. Same like you change the border color as well. Let's say I am changing the border color, okay, and now I'm giving the border color as outset. Okay, so this is the outset. I think I misspelled outset. Okay, this is the proper one, outset. So once I define the border outset, the value I define the outset, now we'll see in the browser how it works. As you see now, border is outset. Okay, same like outset. What is the purpose of the outset? Outset actually defines a 3D. Yes, defines a 3D outset border. Okay, it effect depends on the border color value. As you see outside, this one. Okay, defines a 3D border outside. As you see outside. Okay, so same like you can give the inset as well. What will happen with the inset? It also defines a 3D inset border. Okay, and the effect you see on the border it depends on the color border color value. Same like you have the ridge, you have the groove. Let's take the ridge and groove, both borders. Okay, I'm taking. Let's say I'm taking one ridge. Yeah, ridge one, and that's it for the paragraph. I'm also taking. For paragraph, I need to take the border that is called group. Okay. So here I have taken two different borders. So we'll see here in the browser. Let me refresh. As you see, this border is different. Okay, this border is rich and this border is group. So these are the border styles, border properties. Okay, you border styles. Okay, so now if you give the what is it called? Yes, that's right. So these all about the borders, how you give the borders in the CSS. Now you can also define the border width as well. So how you define the border width? So we need to go back here one. So in this heading, I need to give the border width. Let's say I'm giving you the border width. You can also give the width to the border. Okay, 5 pixels for this one, and same like for this element or this selector, I need to give the border width of, let's say, 10 pixels. Okay, we'll see in the browser how it works in the browser. As you see, as this border contain 10 pixels, so it's quite you say bold, and rest of all these contain 5 pixels. Let me some make more bigger values, so you see the differences between these two. Let's say this I'm taking the 20 sorry 30, and same like I am taking this one as 30. Now see, you will see the differences between these two. Okay, Let me refresh. As you see, now it's contain 30 pixels border width. Okay, this is the width. Okay, so this is the border width. Same like we have the dotted border. Same like if you take the dotted border, it contain a dotted width as well. Let me show here. As here you taken the border bridge. Let's say I'm taking the dotted. And same like instead of blue, I am taking the border. Let's say what is it called? Solid black, solid simple. Okay, so solid you have assigned the value. Now let's see in the browser. As you see, now it's dotted border, but due to the width, okay, it's on full screen. If you remove or if you reduce the value for the width, let's say I'm giving you 2 pixels for this one, and here one I'm giving you 3 pixels. Okay, here I'm giving only 3 pixels. So here I save the file. Now let me move back in the code editor. Now you see 2 pixels and 3 pixels. Same like you give the color for the border as well. How you give the color? Here you define the dotted. So here you give the color. Let's say dotted black, or let's say I'm giving assigning the color blue. Here I'm giving the color blue, and here it's solid border property I have taken. Now I need to give the color that is called red. Me, I'm taking red color. So I'm writing in hexadecimal, hexa values. Okay, FF0000. So this is the color I have taken for this border. Now you see the result. Uh, As you see, one border is blue and the other border is red. Okay, this is how you give. Same like if you want to give the text color, so you can also, let me assign the color here. Let's say you are giving the color. Let's say color you are taking hash 000. Yeah, here you have taken this color, and same like instead for this one, here you are taking the color, and that is called, let's see, brown. Yeah, brown. This this color I have taken here. Now you see the text color also. Okay, let me refresh the page. As you see, both colors are changed. Okay, this color is for brown one, and you see this color is changed. Okay, so this is how you change the color as well. Okay, with the bottom color. Same like we have some more properties that is called the what is this called side width. Okay, you can also specify the side width as well. Okay, let's say here you define the border 5 pixels, 5 pixels, and let's say one value more you take that is called, let's say, 20 pixels. So you see the result how it show in the browser. Then I will explain. Okay, actually this five, sorry, this 3 and 20 pixels actually add the width from top and bottom. Okay, 5 from 3 from the top and 20 from the bottom. You see in the browser. As you see, this is how your width apply, border width. Okay, 5 pixels top and bottom, 20 pixels on the side. From the side it's 20 pixels. Okay, 20 pixels on the sides and 5 pixels from top and bottom. Okay, if I need to go back here, this this 3 pixels I'm talking about, this 3 pixels is for the top and the bottom, and this 20 pixels is for the sides of the border. Okay, same like we have the CSS border colors as I defined here, border property. Okay, you use to set the colors. We have types of colors. We already know that colors we have RGB, RGBA with alpha channel. Okay, then we have the hexadecimal colors. Then we have HSL, hue situation, lightness color. Okay, same like these various type of colors we have. Okay, you also give the colors to the borders. Okay, and let's say we have specific sides colors as well. Let's say you are giving the colors instead of here I'm not taking the 20, this 21, I'm taking this one. Let's say you have taken here blue. Now let's, yes, as you see these three colors you see in the border, green, red, okay, and blue. This you see in the border. So this is how you give the border colors in CSS. Okay, Then we have also some more properties that is called border sides. Okay, sides. What are the border sides? Border sides actually you give the sides. Let's say how your sides looks like. Okay, it's dotted, it's inside, it's outside. So you also give. Okay, let's say border right style solid. Let me I move back in the code editor. Here one. Let's say this color you already defined, but instead of for this border, you here define the top style. Okay, dash top. This border's top style is solid, but I need the border right style. Border right style. Okay, this one border right style. I want to show what is it called? Let's say dotted. Now you see these things in the browser. Oh, so as you see, first one is this is how you apply dotted or solid. So this is how your CSS works on this code. Okay, let me need to remove this one in order to see the exact result. So guys, that's all about this one. Okay, that's all about to CSS. We discussed the paddings, we discussed the colors as well. Okay, and we also cover this what is it called sorry we also covered this one back borders. Okay, so I hope so guys you like this video. If you like this video, kindly do like, subscribe and share. Meet you next video.